my channel. I'm Victoria. So happy to have you guys here today, and for my first time viewers who are joining me for the very first time, welcome. So guys, the last time we were here, which was 24 hours ago, I was marining my turkey. So here's my turkey there on my kitchen counter. So today is the baking day where I'm going to bake my turkey. So I'm going to go ahead now and rinse my turkey off and bake my turkey. So let's go! So this is cold water. You're just going to rinse your turkey off. Very good under the cold water. Just rinse it off. I'm going to pat my turkey dry. So now that my turkey's pat dry, I'm just gonna rub some butter all over it inside, which is my butter here, because it doesn't really need anything else. So I'm gonna rub the inside. So I'm going to go underneath the skin. These are like packets, so you just go underneath as far as you can get with the butter. So my oven is preheating at 450. So when my turkey goes inside, it's going to enter into a hot oven. Okay, she is ready. So I'm just going to just wipe the rice over here. This is going to have, the turkey is going to have the brown golden color to it. Okay, so now that we have, I pour my wine in, my Pinot Grigio. Inside, when it's baking, I come and I just refresh by just it's just moisture. And also you could just use your boosters to just take it up and just pour it all over. You could use chicken stocks, vegetable stocks, but I just like using wine. Sometimes I use champagne, so that's it. So now that the turkey finished roast, so beautiful, I'm going to allow it to stay here and rest. It's important to allow your turkey to rest. Now I'm going to prepare all my instruments to dress this beautiful turkey. There are a few places that you test on your turkey, one which is here. And also I'm going to test the breast. So for my trimming today, I will be using some cranberries, some lemon, and grapes. How about an apple? Turkey is, for me, it's just about what I like to eat. I put in my turkey. So you like apples, so you can put apples if you like apples. Okay, so this is all done. It looks so beautiful. I don't even want to cut it at all. It's just picture perfect. So you know your turkey is just the centerpiece, it's the showstopper. And everything that you have on here, you can just bite, you can eat. So keeping with my tradition, I will definitely cut a tiny piece right now, just to show you guys how the turkey taste a little piece. Guys, the turkey breast tastes so good. It's moist and juicy. It's soft in my mouth. Yesterday I brined my turkey and today I roast my turkey, and this is what you get. Now, if you did not see my video that I did yesterday where I brined my turkey, you can go back and go ahead and catch the video, because that's part 1 and this is part 2. Also, I will just put the link in my pinned comment, so you can just click on the link as well. I've written all the recipe, all my ingredients, everything is going to be in my description box. So all the link to my social is in my description box. So remember to check my description box. Everything is inside my description box. Now, I use wine. You don't have to use wine. You could use your chicken stocks or vegetable stocks, or some people use beer, but I like wine, so I use wine. And that's it, you know. So let's have a toast, and I will see you on my next video. And don't forget now to hit like, share, and leave me a comment below. And if you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed to my channel yet, just click on the right subscribe, will you, and leave that notification bell, so when I upload my new video again, you will get a notification. So, from my home to your home, have a healthy, happy, peaceful Thanksgiving.